Lindsey. I'm the Senior Director of Content at Spiceology, and today I'll be making a Vampire Killer beef and mushroom stroganoff with Chef Christian. This recipe, you leave it in the pot and pan the whole time so the beef gets extra melty and delicious.
Shall we?
Let's do it. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, trifecta of deliciousness, salt, pepper, garlic, and just a teaspoon of our smoked paprika. You can use ground beef if you want, but we're using top-cut sirloin for this. It's really easy to slice. You just do these beautiful little slices of it, and it's gonna cook up really quick. Get over here. You're gonna add it to the pot, give it a nice sear, and then that's when all the liquids come into play.
They look good. Yeah, they look real good.
You're also gonna scrape the pan, make sure that you're just getting all of that deliciousness and browning into the party. You just set it and forget it. You're gonna put a lid on that pot. We're going to do the makeshift MacGyver cover, and then this will be ready in about 30 minutes. And I have to give credit where credit is due, is that we did grow up with this, my grandmother's stroganoff recipe over egg noodles, but my brother is the one who came up with the ingenious idea of serving them over fries, and it is amazing. Very carefully ladle out some of the gravy, and you're gonna add it to a little bit of sour cream. So why you do this, not just plop the sour cream right in the pot, you don't want that sour cream to curdle. The beef is really tender. The mushrooms just make it really rich with umami. And that Vampire Killer is just Parmesan garlic, ridiculous deliciousness. We're doing just a little bit of parsley. Now give it a go. I wanna know what you think. That's a big old bite.
It's like my grandmama's. We're the same grandmama.
Yeah.
That's fire. There's nothing boring about that.
Vampire Killer beef and mushroom stroganoff, a very never boring dinner.